Unit 1, My Animals. Lesson 1, Vocabulary. Lesson 2, Grammar. Lion, lion. Zebra, zebra. Hippo, hippo. Monkey, monkey. Giraffe, giraffe. Elephant, elephant. This is a. This is a. This is a lion. This is a lion. This is a zebra. This is a zebra. This is a hippo. This is a hippo. This is a monkey. This is a monkey. This is a giraffe. This is a giraffe. This is an elephant. This is an elephant.